Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Edge. Click the three-dot menu at the top right to open Settings. Once you open Settings, go directly to Languages in the left column so you're editing the browser language, not the OS. Make sure you're signed in if you want Sync to apply changes on other devices. This first action puts you in the correct panel to add or reorder languages, which is faster than toggling system preferences and ensures only the browser language changes. Once you're in Languages, click Add Languages and type the language name to find it quickly, then add it to the list. After adding, use the menu button next to each language to move it higher. Edge uses the top language as the preferred display. Make sure to enable the option labeled Display Microsoft Edge in this language for the one you want to see immediately. This step controls interface text, menus, and built-in suggestions without altering web content translation settings. After selecting and prioritizing the language, restart Edge so the UI loads using the new setting. The browser prompts you to relaunch, or you can close and reopen it manually. If the language did not change, make sure Edge is up to date and verify your Windows display language isn't forcing a different choice. If problems persist, clear the browser cache or reset Edge settings, and then reselect the language. Those steps fix most conflicts between browser and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.